Bayern Munich na problema. Bayern Munich isang moya na fakata, isang moya. Goal! Ha, nakira ka tila. Masyang buka ka na. Budaya orang ni sarar kya kana tukuna.
German Cup semi-final shootout recently too. He survived 5 of the 8 penalties he faced in those two.
Dia bisa ba? Ara Chelsea na begal utawanca kan. Dia bisa want. Na tinna.
Disappointing. Not a good win, is it? It's not anywhere near.
Gol gol chira. Lalu jita ni kan.
Interesting here, the Germans are getting out of the way, the ones who missed in the semi-final. Although Gomez did score the second one that night, low to the keeper's right. It's Gomez.
Wah, good.
Scores. Bayern Munich have a 2-0 lead in the shootout, and David Luiz will be next.
Huh? Oh. Sabun ni lu biasa mana kan? Kasagara sangka. Samit tiara bukan kisah kanan mina sakal. Sami, kawan tertulis dura. Ah,
Real conviction behind that. Not even Neuer was going to keep that one out.
why no one like mana sesuatu segir.
Change your mind, but brilliantly dispatched from David Luiz. Now, I've not said it before because I think no one was going to take this next one. He is the goalkeeper. It's astonishing for that. It's like 5 minutes, they haven't got 5 outfield players who want to take a penalty. Most goalkeepers go, they can drill and dink all better than anybody. They work on this all the time. It would be the first I've seen not running.
Ini mau kena ganda. Sana. Galen again, Madi. Si. Telefonnya kayak di sakun. Oh iya. Akas ya. Ah, kayak ada ikan atau.
This final against Napoli and Benfica has converted 5 out of 6 this season. He did score from the spot in Moscow that night. Captain for the night, Frank Lampard.
1 tahun. Wah ini hari nak.
He walks up and takes a penalty. You do feel like he's going to knock one in the back of the net, despite whatever Neuer is doing, all the body shapes and throwing it this way.
Ah, mau mana sesuatu si Lampard di mana ya? Jaga mereka apa? Fans tadi nak hal nama apa? Apa nama starting ka? Munich. Bayern Munich. I wish you all the best. Why yeah. Po, Saric. Kau mati aku Saric. Oh, cukup. Kamu jangan kadurai kamu tak ada. He scored for England in a European
pressure there. A penalty tonight could square it up here. What a night he's had. He's had a fantastic game. Mawson tonight. He's had a
Sami.
come on. Ashley Cole. It's 3-3 in the shootout. And it's 7 back already.
Nak what? Kita sarang Risa. Wajib. Kayak sih sani mi kaila ba. Kayak kayak sih sih. Kau ni kayak sih. Tanne mana nak bersih.
Taking one of the first five. It's Schweinsteiger who struck the crucial penalty hard down the middle in Madrid in the semi-final.
Awak mata nagapsin. Mata nagapsin inak. Waktu sana gammat cizi waktu sana kasarat tefidin. Sudatin. Mau manja cuk. Mau manja cuk. Ma dapat maka ada benar tu bin dewa.
He's hit the post, he can't believe it. The drop wasn't on the field and not scored close to take the penalty.
Tapi tanya udah benesa ada bang orang besi, ada bang orang besi. Apa bila saya sampai kunci ziarah bukan lah, kalau orang besi. Kalau kejulah.
Is this his last kick of a football for Chelsea? He can't believe it.
Minyak tu masuk minyak. Suminya. Inyat Drogba. Suminya. Sami. Nat Libda. Ibrahimovic cakap jelas tajir tu. Suminya dah. Mahal Allah Taala. Medan naman ang inuwan. Oh, ganda naman to. Bad boy. Ano orang bisa hindi siya, orang bisa. Chigar si Cesar na kalang ako. Chelsea have denied all of their doctor's destiny, and their fate was a factor. The fate was in Chelsea's corner. Chelsea have been within a lick of Russian paint, claiming the prize 4 years ago to go through because of a German penalty that struck a post tonight. The 10th attempt, 10 seasons in the Champions League. Quarterfinals, 6 semi-finals, 2 finals, and at long last, 1 win. It's a win that earns another cup and the title next season as the defending champion. Johnson added those at the loadout, but his hands on the cup today. Another cup. Early on the season, I thought Chelsea may be going home with regrets, but the league and the United really took the games upon them in Sama tu lagi kan, Tasani.
Yo bakka kamu yang nuti bawa karamo jalan no. Me wallen no. Chelsea si motulen fene. Garu mal ko ta gaya bo.
Raised Chelsea's season in the last couple of months, and they've raised it to the very summit of the club game.
Walle ta kan rakha fira Chelsea mutana ko mala basani kala.
Chelsea and Bayern Munich are just
Kamu ekenya bo antara. Me mani no rakha ya. Kamu ekenya. Wanne girgire sino fille just. Drogba selalu Afrika dapat orang makan awal lalu kali ro. Drogba fin udah kaya wan, mau ada sana. Drogba fin udah kaya. Oh Drogba apa kan? Karakter itu bentar. Drogba, karena Drogba sih, kalau musik karena Drogba nih. Ay, mal Drogba aku. Buat. Ah. Karena ketat ya, baga mau apa di situ. Kalau tadi orang sih, bine sabe ko no ste bakin no ste kunjur budabar amma sanskrit ta hamile ta muran ne ta hada tamni tu bela अच्छी बहुत hamile muras maka ada dai kan dukku tu ta namni morali ta rancam ne fijaza awona ars de war go baka chuba de fira amma kam musika ta konga baje fira baka are ti wan gor dabe Bayar muri kuma sila te kar jirati dattabe ga baka dattabe chide dattabe tifra wal go thare laptop iti wara uti gira fira ini wara be na ayah kan Akan aku lupa.